In this video, I'll tell you how you can leave a server and also how you can delete your own server. At first, let's see how you can leave a server. Simply open your Discord application, or you can also open your Discord in your web browser. Then go to the server you want to leave. Let's say I want to leave Valorant server. Go there and simply click on the name, and right here you can see leave server. Simply click on leave server and click on leave server once again, and the server has been successfully left. However, if you want to delete your own server, then navigate to your server. So let's say this is my own server. Click on the server name and go to server settings and scroll down, and here you can see delete server. Simply click on delete server and enter your server name, then click on delete server, and the server has been deleted successfully. So that's how you can easily leave or delete your own server. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.